I was incredibly surprised. When I started out in real estate, it was just a way to contribute to my family income. So 10 years ago, I opened up my own company, just followed my heart, and never did I think that I would be honored for following my dreams. Since I was a little girl, I loved to sing, and I always wanted to be a singer. And not just any ordinary singer, but the one who touches and moves people's soul. I had an opportunity to record my own CD, where all proceeds go to Habitat for Humanity. Be yourself and work diligently at your own pace. I always kept this quote by Dr. Martin Luther King in mind. Fly. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But no matter what you are doing, you have to keep moving forward.